Unit 6. Let's go. Lesson 1. Vocabulary. Lesson 2. Grammar. Transportation. Plane. Plane. Bike. Bike. Bus. Bus. Train. Train. Boat. Boat. Car. Car. This is a plane. This is a plane. This is a bike. This is a bike. This is a bus. This is a bus. This is a train. This is a train. This is a boat. This is a boat. This is a car. This is a car. Fast and slow. Fast and slow. Fast. Fast. Slow. Slow. The plane is fast. The plane is fast. The bike is slow. The bike is slow. The train is fast. The train is fast. The boat is slow. The boat is slow. The car is fast. The car is fast. The bus is slow. The bus is slow. Big and small. Big and small. Big, big. Small, small. The boat is big. The boat is big. The boat is small. The boat is small. The plane is big. The plane is big. The plane is small. The plane is small. The bus is big. The bus is big. The bus is small. The bus is small. The train is big. The train is big. The train is small. The train is small.